in this lesson I am going to teach you that how you can take the advantage of Claude AI just like a data analyst. So you can present a Claude AI and assign a role as a data analyst AI agent, and you need to identify me the unique value of a expected columns or a data set, or concatenate my two different columns, or you can present any use cases like, hey, you need to enrich my data, you need to reshape my data, any kind of things you can also do just like you are performing yourself manually. So without wasting your time, I can present here, you act as a expert in pandas library as a data analyst, and you will present me or reshape my expected data set as per the instructions, whatever I will ask. As a reference, I am attaching a data set, and I will ask you to perform different operations, that is data transformation operation. And here, after performing your expected prompt, you just need to select your expected data set, and here I am just attaching my data set here. Now I can just identify here the Titanic, again the same data set, and I can, after selecting the data set now, and here just I need to click here this arrow icon, and after that you will be observing that Claude AI will be start presenting their AI agent role like a data analyst role, and reading the my XLX files and understanding and getting the contents. And after that you can see that I have loaded the data sets Titanic, and here are the full overview now. So all the informations, the number of columns and the high level information and the key stats is presenting, and then the Claude AI will be asking you that how many missing values we have for a certain each and every feature, single feature like survival rate column feature, the average rate, and all the different things, and also helping you to understand that, hey, I am ready to perform any pandas transformations you needed. And here are some example, like what kind of operations you would like me to perform. And for example, if you are not good in coding, if you are struggling to understand the pandas library, if you are struggling to clean the data, if you are struggling to reshape the data, if you are struggling how to identify the unique values, how to remove the duplicate values, how to do the feature engineering, just like the Claude AI will be asking you that, hey, would you like to create a new columns, like calculated columns, the family size, the group age, or the title, or the form name, or you would like to filter your rows while applying the certain conditions. Like sometimes you would like to say, hey, could you please let me know that filter me those records whose ages are more than 25 years and less than 35 years, and they are only the male, and what class they belongs to, so first class, second class, or third class. And this is further you can apply the conditions, and the primary purpose is to filter the records, and everything you can do the aggregation, the group by the summarized, and the pivoting the table as well. And then you can also encoding, and you can also apply the sorting, like sort by column, rank, and everything. And then, as I already told you, that you can reshape the data. So what exactly your need, want, and expectations, you just tell the Claude AI what you are looking forward. So I would like to say that, hey, could you please clean my data now? So I just need to copy the first option and control copy and control C and then control V, And then once I just click here this arrow icon, so the Claude AI will be start creating the cleaning the data, just like the way when we will be presenting and writing the commands ourselves for cleaning the data. And as you can see that the script is creating and inspecting the missing values in the data types before cleaning. So if I just click here this icon, and the script will be start creating the pandas library, importing the pandas library, which previously you have to do yourself manually, but now with the help of AI tools, how overcome this challenge, the manual effort to understand the commands and to understand all these things, you can easily do the data transformations. And you can see that now, wow, wonderful, how nicely, how awesomely I am getting my clean data now. So the Titanic clean data set is in front of you, and you can see what kind of transformation the Claude AI basically applied here in front of you. And Claude AI said that, hey, here are what was done, two sheets, cleaning the data and plus clean summary. And this is the clean summary which will be presenting you that the missing value treatment, like age 20 values were missing for each column. And action, what actions Claude AI performed, filled with the median group by places and sex and smarter than the global median. So those 20 values which were missed in data set, what Claude AI did now, so Claude AI taken the aggregation of all the values, the ages which exist in this data set, and take the median and filled those medians 20 values with the aggregation value now. And also the Claude AI will be dropped 60 out of 64 values were missed, that were dropped, and to spare to be more relevant, as you can see the missing values is dropped as well now. And the 80% of the value that will be presented right now, and one embark filled with mode, those categories which basically not specify the embarked. So basically the Claude AI taken the mode and save single imputation in front of you, as in these columns now, expected columns, and the classes and everything is in front of you. And here if I just click here, so this is the clean summary now. And then that clean summary will be presenting that age 20 values were missing, and the 20 not NANs with the group median applied here, and the median by classes and sex, and preserve the distribution. And also the Claude AI in the different columns, the drop columns, 64 out of 80 values were missing, 80% spares. And the rest of the things you can see their data types and all the information, and this is the clean data. And if I just present it further here, if I just scroll right, and you can see that this is the embark and filled embark one while taking the mode as the S now. So you can see that those values which not basically presented as a null, so mode is taken as a S now. And this is how nicely the Claude AI will be performing the data types, fixations, the survived. And why the reason is also survived, it's a binary flag, not a number, ordinary variables and all those informations. And also you can see that 0 is missing value out of 80 rows and 11 columns. We have the what data transformations now we would like for further feature engineering, encoding, aggregation to Claude AI. And this is the clean data is in front of us, which does not have the drop values, which does not have the dirty data. We clean the data, we drop the missing values, and we fix the data types as well. Now after cleaning the data, the next step should be that you can perform further transformation. So you can do the further feature engineering. I would like to say that I want to do the feature engineering. And here you can see feature engineering for survived column. And once I just specify and then enter now, so the Claude AI will be start performing the feature engineering and will be further doing that. Hey, this is the great choice. Let me first check what feature engineering options make sense for the survived column. So this is Cloud AI will itself connecting with different features, analyzing that which feature belongs to have the dependency for this particular feature, and will be creating more meaningful data. And the previous one, if I just scroll down, you can download the previous transformations as per your needs, wants, expectations, and you can download from here. And you can also download from here. You have the two choices, or you can save towards your cloud environment in your Google Drive as well now. And if I just further scroll down, as you can see that the great choice, let me first check feature engineering, and now I am getting the complete feature engineering as highlighted for survived label. And in this survived label, if you are closely monitoring that, Claude AI will be asking me some more questions like which feature engineering operation do you want applied to the survive one. Now I would like to say that, hey, with correlation survive column